Meet the NYC student life at 29 St Nicholas Avenue in New York, where you can roll out of bed, walk to class, and explore the city like a local. Your stunning new non-ensuite has a cozy bed with soft sheets and plush pillows, a smart TV for your binge-watching sessions, and air conditioning to keep you cool. You also get a serene private backyard to enjoy golden hours and starry nights for magical downtime. Utilities are already included in your rent for your utmost convenience, so you can say goodbye to additional bills. Also, laundry facilities are available on-site along with weekly housekeeping, so your personal space can be spotless, always. Reputable schools like Pratt Institute and St Joseph's University are just minutes away by car. Just sit, blink, and you're there. Make your Big Apple adventure smooth and speedy, with buses from Flushing Avenue and the nearest subway at DeKalb Avenue. So, claim your spot via amberstudent.com to level up your student life at 29 St Nicholas Avenue in New York.